Google and GPT, a teacher's role is no longer just to inform, but to inspire, to ignite the curiosity that no machine can replicate. We are living through the most significant reform of our education system since independence. The National Education Policy 2020 is not just a policy document, it is a philosophical shift. NEP 2020 aims to produce critical thinkers, innovators, and global citizens rooted in our Indian ethos. We speak of Vikasit Bharat towards the larger 2047 vision. A developed India cannot be built unless we integrate our indigenous knowledge systems with modern science and technology. Our forefathers knew sustainable living, eco-conservation, and community bonding. Let us not dismantle that wisdom in the blind race for modernization. May you walk with humanity, work with fashion, and live with purpose. May Tripura University shine as a beacon of excellence in the Northeast. And may our beloved Bharat continue its ascent as a Vishwaguru, a land of knowledge, compassion, and strength. My heartful congratulations once again to all the degree recipients, medal winners, dedicated faculty, and the proud families. Jai Hind, Jai Tripura.
Thank you, sir, for those words of wisdom. May I now request the chief guest of the 14th convocation of Tripura University, Honorable Vice President of India, Sri C.P. Radhakrishnan, to kindly deliver the convocation address.
I touch and salute the holy feet of Bharata Mata, the most powerful and the most merciful. Honorable Governor of Tripura and Chief Rector of Tripura University, Sriman Indrasena Reddy Garu, Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura, Dr. Manik Shahaji, Chief Secretary, Government of Tripura, Sriman Jitendra Kumar Singaji, Vice Chancellor of the Tripura University, Professor Shyamal Dasji, Registrar of Tripura University, Professor Samir Kumar Silji, faculty members, professors, assistant professors, teaching and non-teaching staff of our Tripura University, the beloved parents who assembled here to see their sons and daughters are getting their degree certificates today, and above all, my dear young students who are graduating today and completing their academic career at one stage. I am immensely happy to be with you all on this great occasion of 14th convocation ceremony of our Tripura University. From this dais, I can feel the sense of success and accomplishment that you all are feeling today. And this is my very first visit to Tripura after becoming the Vice President of India. So in the past 2 days, I have been traveling through the beautiful states of Nagaland, Mizoram and Tripura. I am really happy to be in Tripura, which is the land of glorious heritage. Yesterday when I was talking to our governor has told to me, Tripura is a small state, but rich with culture. That is the greatness of Tripura. And from ancient temples and places to vibrant tribal customs and festivals, Tripura preserves a harmonious blend of royalty, spirituality, and indigenous culture. Today morning I have visited the holy temple of Mada Tripura Sundari. I appreciate the great development work done by the state and the central governments together. It is deeply satisfying to observe that Tripura University has emerged as the vibrant center of teaching, research, and innovation. That is very important. Not only education should get stopped, it should continue with the research, and the researches should end with innovations. The steady growth in high-quality research publications, the increasing number of funded projects, the culture of intellectual property creation has to be appreciated. The participation in national research platforms signal the arrival of the university on the national academic landscape. I am told that the faculty members from these institutions occupy a place among globally recognized researchers. That is another great step that has to be appreciated and that has to be encouraged and that has to be continued. I am also happy to learn that the university hosts of distinguished alumni working in various fields. I appreciate the Honorable Governor, Sri Indrasena Reddy Garu, Honorable CM Dr. Manik Saji and university officials for their efforts in making this university to achieve the new heights, and I am sure from here we will march forward to another glory. In the past decade, our Honorable Prime Minister Sriman Narendra Modi ji has worked relentlessly on tapping the potential of northeastern states. You all know that Tamil Nadu is my native place. Once upon a time, traveling from Chennai to Agartala was so difficult. But today, thanks to our visionary leadership of our Honorable PM, that there is better connectivity and infrastructure. There were days we can't reach on the same day. Today we can reach on the same day. That is the infrastructure development of our country that makes our economy circulating at faster pace. At present, there are direct trains to Agartala from various cities like Chennai and Mumbai and other cities. Now we see improved highways, railway corridors, and enhanced air connectivity. All of it has ensured that the journey from anywhere in India to Kohima or Agartala is no longer a challenge but a symbol of more connected India. This has opened opportunities for the young generations and the young graduates like you. This has also brought our hearts closer to the true spirit of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. The Madapari Tourism Circuit, inaugurated in January 2026 at a cost of 450 crore, will integrate the Tripura Sundari Temple, Chabimoda and Dumbur Lake. This will further position Tripura predominantly on the global map of spiritual and ecotourism. These initiatives will increase tourist footfall, thereby adding another layer of local employment. When I was talking to the collector of that district, when I visited the temple, he said from 3.5 lakh devotees, it has increased to 8.5 lakh devotees now. This is an economical activity. It is not only spiritual, it is also induces the economical activity. That is very important. A stagnant economy will never grow. Economy stimulated and always on circulation will always grow. I am informed that the last month the Atal Innovation Mission under NITI Ayog launched the first state innovation mission in Tripura. This is a significant step towards empowering innovation and entrepreneurship into the state's long-term development framework. I congratulate and appreciate the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Manik Sagaji for making such rapid progress in the state. Dear students, today is your day. And from my bottom of my heart, I congratulate you. The celebrations honors your achievement, yet it reflects the love, patience, and the faith of everyone who walked along with you in this great journey. Always remember your parents, your professors, your teachers, and also your friends, and others who have helped you and shaped you in this important journey of your life. Today, on this important day of your life, I would appeal to all of you, you should follow two things. Any success will not come just like that. Every success or every successful man or achievement of anyone, there is always a hard work behind it, a self-discipline behind it, a dedication behind it. We don't know how they are successful, but if we follow these three, we will also be very successful. My humble request, wherever I am going, I am requesting all the youngsters with one single appeal: be away from drugs. No to drugs must be your motive, and this should be your principle. That should occupy your mind. Not only for you, you should not allow your friends to become addicted. You should not allow anybody who you know, they should not become the addict of drugs. We must have 100% control on our thoughts and brain. That is very important for anybody's success. Like that, you also be specific about your allocation of time. Time is money, time is success. Time is everything. How you are utilizing your time, that is very important. Today, your generation is standing at a historic moment when Bharat is making rapid progress towards Viksit Bharat by 2047. There is a fast-paced development in all spheres of life. Technology has become a game changer. I request all of you to be always use technology positively. Progress with purpose is the only way that humanity and society can benefit. Students, till today you have written answers in examination halls. From today onwards you will face life vast laboratory. Always remember that success and failures are a part of life. When the sun rises, that is definitely then the sun is going to demise. So there will be ups and downs in everybody's life. We are always thinking why this is happening to only to us. It's not like that, it is happening to everyone. Because we are thinking like that, because we know only what is happening to us. We don't know what is happening to others. How much hard work he has put, how much sacrifice he has put to become successful, we don't know. How many failures he has faced, we don't know. But we know where we failed. We know what is the pain in our efforts. We know how miserably we failed. Everybody is like that only. Everybody has miserably failed before achieving something. You just, life is like that. You are going in a bicycle. there is a steep upward journey, then we are getting down from the bicycle. We are taking the bicycle along with us. That is very difficult. Sometimes we may think why we should take the bicycle up. You have to take the bicycle up, then only the downward journey will come. That time, without any effort, you can continue your journey. The life is like that. We have to take the hard work without success also. We have to do our duty without much reward, without much recognition. But all the hard work, all the devotion has to be get recognized at one day. That you must always keep in your mind. No hard work, no sincerity, no devotion, no sacrifice will go unnoticed. That we must always. Time differs from man to man, woman to woman, person to person. But success will come automatically those who are continuing their hard work. We should learn from them and double our efforts, then success will definitely come to you. When you are comparing with others, you need not do the same work what the other is doing, but you should do your best. Your best will keep you on the track. You will be continuing your journey at your speed. Then also target will be achieved by you at your own time. That is the only difference. God has never created everybody with the same talent, same efficiency, same fastness. Rather, same success at every time. But we have to be successful. We should have the patience and we should have the determination in mind that this is my target, I want to be like this and I will become like this. If you believe in your target, you believe in you and do your devoted work, definitely the success is going to be yours. The call of the nation is very clear. Dream boldly, work tirelessly, and lead selflessly. That means you are going to be the leader of tomorrow. On this note, I recall the words of the great national Tamil poet, Bharatiyar. Bharatiyar said, "Illorum orgulum, illorum orinam, illorum Indiya makkal, illorum or nirai, illorum or vilai. Illorum innattu mannar, naam illorum innattu mannar." This poem reminds us that in our diverse nation, unity is our true strength. We all are Indians. Under every circumstance, we are Indians. Through our languages, cultures and traditions may differ, but our hearts beat as one nation. Unity and equality will lead us forward. And the great poet says that every citizen of this country is the true ruler and the true guardian of this country. It is our responsibility to elevate to us and elevate the nation together. This sense of togetherness gives us power. When we rise above the divisions and differences, nothing can stop us from achieving greatness as one nation and as one people. When each one of you as a youth force move forward with purpose, no one can stop Bharat march towards greatness. I extend my heartiest congratulations to all the degree recipients, medal winners and research scholars of Tripura University, batch of 2026. And once again, my congratulations to all of you, to the parents too, and the faculty members too, who have done a remarkable job in making these young men to become the graduates. And I wish all of you every success in all your future endeavors. Jai Tripura, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. They shall be etched in the hearts and memories of our students forever. We now proceed to the award of PhD degrees by our honored guests on the dais.
अब मैं भारत के माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति श्री C.P. राधाकृष्णन महोदय से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे कृपया दीपन शर्मा को वनस्पति शास्त्र में डॉक्टर ऑफ फिलॉसफी की उपाधि प्रदान करने की कृपा करें। धन्यवाद माननीय।
Thank you, sir. May I once again request Honorable Vice President of India, Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan, to kindly award the PhD degree in English to Srimati Papia Ghosh.
धन्यवाद महोदय। अब मैं त्रिपुरा के माननीय राज्यपाल श्री इंद्रसेना रेड्डी नल्लू महोदय से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि कृपया श्री जुहेंद्र देव वर्मा को वाणिज्य में डॉक्टर ऑफ फिलॉसफी की उपाधि प्रदान करने की कृपा करें।
Thank you, sir. May I now request Honorable Governor of Tripura and the Chief Rector, Shri Indrasena Reddy Nallu, to award the PhD degree in Fine Arts to Miss Mandira Dasgupta. Thank you, sir. May I now request Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura, Professor Dr. Manik Shaha, to kindly award the PhD degree in Sociology to Ms. Rashmi Das. Thank you, respected dignitaries. May I now request Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Shamal Das to kindly declare the convocation adjourned till the next session resumes.
I declare the 14th convocation adjourned till the next section resumes.
धन्यवाद माननीय। अब मैं इस सभागार में उपस्थित सभी व्यक्तियों से आग्रह करती हूं कि वे राष्ट्रीय गीत तत्पश्चात राष्ट्रगान के लिए खड़े हो जाएं।
Vande
अब हमारे माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति हम सबसे विदा ले रहे हैं। उनके प्रस्थान के समय हमारे कुलपति और कुल सचिव विदाई के लिए उनके साथ चलेंगे। मैं आप सभी से आग्रह करती हूं कि जब माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति सभागार से बाहर निकलें तो आप कृपया खड़े रहें। अपने व्यस्त कार्यक्रम से समय निकालकर इस अवसर पर अपनी गरिमामयी उपस्थिति से दीक्षांत समारोह को सफल बनाने के लिए हम हमेशा आपके आभारी रहेंगे महोदय। 5 मिनट के अल्प विराम के पश्चात यह 14वां दीक्षांत समारोह पुनः आरंभ होगा। इस सभागार में उपस्थित सभी महानुभावों से हम आग्रह करते हैं कि कृपया अपने अपने स्थानों पर ही रहें और दीक्षांत समारोह के दूसरे हिस्से की कार्रवाई पूर्ण होने तक सभागार से बाहर ना निकलें।
Please note that the 14th convocation of Tripura University shall resume after a short break of 5 minutes, during which we request the audience to remain seated in their respective seats and not leave the auditorium. The rest of the degrees and medals shall be awarded in the second half after the short recess.
बस कुछ ही मिनट के अल्प विराम के पश्चात यह 14वां दीक्षांत समारोह पुनः आरंभ होगा। इस सभागार में उपस्थित सभी महानुभावों से हम आग्रह करते हैं कि कृपया अपने अपने स्थानों पर बैठे रहें और दीक्षांत समारोह के दूसरे हिस्से की कार्रवाई पूर्ण होने तक सभागार से बाहर ना निकलें।
You are also gently reminded that right at the end of the second session, the Honorable Vice Chancellor shall declare the closing of the 14th convocation, and after which the National